Hey guys, so we are going to change the calendar up a little bit here because of last week. Today your serial project was due, 303 was due, but we're going to extend that till next week. So I don't want you to be stressed. Don't overthink the serial project. Some of y'all are doing awesome with this serial project. I am loving the commercials I'm seeing. You're getting your friends involved, your little brothers and sisters involved. That's really, really good. So if you're not comfortable doing a video commercial, type me up a script. It says, Mom, : good morning, sweetie, what do you want for breakfast? Little Johnny, : and he answers, and what each person says. Type that up. You can write that up, take a picture of it, send it to me through Remind. Don't overthink the commercial part. It's essential you do this first, these questions, okay? And then that will lead you into doing your presentation. Then you have your commercial. Social media, don't overthink this. All this is telling me which you're going to use. So, are you going to use Snapchat? Are you going to use Instagram? How are you going to use social media to push your serial out there? And you can just type that up on a Google Doc, or you can type it up. Let's see. I think you can just write. I think it says you can make, like, on your end, it looks like you can write something. So that's what you can do. But just type out which ones you're going to use. Don't make that a big deal. Then your cereal box. Okay, so I've had a few people turn this in. It's really cute. Some people drew their cereal box, how it would look. They took pictures, sent it into Remind. I graded it that way. A couple people did it and turned it into, put the pictures in Google Docs and sent it in that way. I had one person who actually created their cereal box using Google Slides. And so they had their sides and their front in a Google Slide. And that works as well. However you want to do it. Don't make it hard. So if you just want to draw a cereal box, take a picture of it, send it to me through Remind. Remember, you got to have your nutritional information, a back, a front. It's got to have your logo, your slogan, and it can't be copyrighted. So don't be using something that already exists. So that's what I want you to focus on for this week. Is finishing that serial project. And if you guys have any questions, send me a message through this or the Remind app, whatever you need to do, and I will be here to help you. So if you need anything, let me know, okay? And I will talk to you guys later.